In the early morning hours of May 15th, Zhengzhou, Henan Province, was struck by extreme weather conditions triggered by a combination of strong winds and fluctuating pressure winds associated with a cold front moving southward. This sudden and severe weather event resulted in widespread damage and chaos throughout the region. Wind speeds surged to a formidable level 8, causing substantial destruction. The force of the winds was so powerful that subway doors were blown open, creating hazardous conditions for commuters. Many residents found their home windows shattered, allowing the gusts to wreak havoc inside their houses. Agricultural areas suffered devastating losses, particularly impacting farmers who saw their wheat and other crops destroyed. This unexpected blow to agriculture is expected to have significant economic repercussions for the local farming community. Streets and public areas were not spared either, as fallen trees and broken branches became a common sight, obstructing roads and posing hazards to pedestrians and vehicles alike. In light of these conditions, the Zhengzhou Meteorological Observatory took immediate action, upgrading the blue warning signal for strong winds to a yellow warning. This heightened alert reflects the severity of the situation, as wind gusts in many parts of Zhengzhou reach levels 8 to 9, with some areas experiencing even more extreme conditions with gusts surpassing level 10.